लोकसभा चुनावों से पहले अब जो खबर आ रही है वो यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह की भी आ रही है, क्योंकि वो महाराष्ट्र में पहुंचे, उनका स्वागत किया गया था वहां के सीएम, डिप्टी सीएम की तरफ से। और यहां पे जो खबर फिलहाल आ रही है कि जो यूनियन मिनिस्टर अमित शाह है वो अकोला जाएंगे, वो जलगांव जाएंगे, वो छत्रपति संभाजी नगर जाएंगे। और वहीं पर जानकारी मिल रही है अरुणिल, गुड मॉर्निंग, के इलेक्शन रिलेटेड मीटिंग्स और प्रोग्राम्स जो होने वाले बीजेपी की, उसमें वो हिस्सा लेने वाले हैं।
Well, crucial visit. Good morning to you, Amita. Crucial visit of Home Minister Amit Shah in the state of Maharashtra today. At present, last night he basically landed in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, which is the main epicenter of the Marathwada region of Maharashtra. Post that, he will be expected to go to Akola today, meet the party leaders and workers there. After that, he will be visiting Jalgaon. And in the evening today in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Home Minister Amit Shah will be holding a grand sabha wherein more than 50,000 people will be attending this sabha of Home Minister Amit Shah. After the sabha in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Home Minister Amit Shah will be leaving for the city of Mumbai, wherein a crucial meeting with Ajit Pawar and CM Eknath Shinde will be expected. This meeting about the seat sharing between the BJP, Ajit Pawar's NCP and CM Shinde's Shiv Sena will be held tonight itself. Remember, BJP has announced their first list of 195 names. However, not a single name is from the state of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the second largest state in the country after Uttar Pradesh, around 48 seats in the state of Maharashtra, but till now not a single seat being announced from this state. Now, sources also inform us that the BJP is keen on contesting at least 30 out of the 48 available seats in the state of Maharashtra, whereas the remaining 18 are to be divided as per sources between the Ajit Pawar camp and the CM Eknath Shinde camp. However, both the alliance partners, that is CM Shinde and Ajit Pawar, are pushing to get more seats from the kitty of the BJP. Today's Sabha in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar also holds a great significance. The reason for that is this is the first elections that Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar is going to face after the name was changed from Aurangabad to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. And recently also we had seen a massive Maratha agitation taking place in Marathwada, the epicenter being in Jalna and Chhatrapati.
Absolutely. So as far as the Union Home Minister is concerned, he is in the state of Maharashtra, and the BJP, as Arunil pointed out, is keen on contesting 30 out of the 48 seats, and the remaining 18 is likely to be divided between the Shinde camp and the Ajit Pawar